Jai Shri Krishna. Today I am going to connect of soldering of a encoder of a motor. Here is some electrical cable connection of this encoder, and the other side of this cable I need a soldering iron, paste, and some things, and electrical power supply. There is the port of soldering. Here is a soldering point. This is the drawing where I have to solder now. Red for 12 number port, blue for 10 number port, white for 5 number port, brown for 6, green for 8, yellow for 1, ash for 3, पिंक for 4. रेड कलर में 12 वोल्ट 24, ब्लू कलर में 0 वोल्ट, वाइट में ए प्लस, ब्राउन में एन माइनस, ग्रीन में बी प्लस, येलो में बी माइनस, एश कलर में आर प्लस, पिंक में आर माइनस. And this was the terminal number of the back side of that encoder cable. So I will do this assembly point. At first we will connect here, and then we will put this into this after that I have pressed here. And then I will have to put this in this direction. There is a nose here, and also there is a nose here, nose here. So I have to connect this nose to nose properly, otherwise this will be not fixed. Now this was completed.